Testing, testing, testing. Hi there, guys. My name is Rohan, and today we are going to be talking about mulching. Today we're going to be talking about what is mulching, okay, and what is it? So have you ever been, let's say, to a garden, okay? Just some random garden, walking by, and then you see some of the plants, and you see a bunch of dry leaves and straw all over the plants, right? All over on top of the soil. And you might think, what is that? Why is that doing there? Well, that thing is mulch, okay? And it's in a process called mulching. So what is this mulching? Well, it's a trick that can be very useful to plants, okay? And very resourceful, and farmers love it, okay? Now, there are mainly two types of mulches, okay? Organic types and inorganic types, okay? Organic mulches include dry leaves, wood chips, and straws, okay? Those type of things. They're made, since they're organic, right? They do cover the soil, but they degrade over time. They dissolve into the soil and add nutrients into it, okay? So they benefit the soil. While as for inorganic, they do last longer since they have materials such as plastic sheets, stone, and other materials. They are used to stop weeds mostly and help keep the soil moist. Okay? Now that's how that works. But a bunch of benefits of mulching can include, again, like I said, soil being more moist, prevention of weeds, okay, so they don't appear, and they can also control the soil temperature to keep it nice, warm, and cozy, and prevent soil erosion, okay? They can prevent that, and also increase soil fertility, okay, with organic mulches, okay? So now, whenever next time you go walking by and you go near one of those same garden skin and you see some dry leaves and straw just lying there, and you might think it's just junk, but no, it's actually mulch, okay? So that's basically what mulching is, and well, that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video, and hope to see you next time. Bye bye.